Uh, with this, may I now request Dr. Tawqir Imran, जिनसे मेरी नाराज़गी हो गई है because मेरे पास कोई diamond नहीं है. He is a man who has the dollars from the US, and he is a man who has diamonds in his bags. So he is woman's best friend, not mine. May I invite Dr. Imran, who is a surgeon and a archaeologist and entrepreneur and so forth and so forth. Please, Dr. Imran.
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Well, it's an absolute honor and privilege to be standing here addressing such a distinguished audience of a CEO and the business leaders in Pakistan. Well, I'm going to be very honest with you guys. I'm not gonna talk about negativities because I have seen a lot of TV program, TV shows, anchors talk about all about negativities about Pakistan, about our GDP, our inflation, foreign exchange reserve, which was like $15.3 billion, and the poverty and a lot of things. I'm not going to talk about negativity about that. Well, I believe the whole world is facing that. All I believe, all I trust is productivity with the positive mindset, with the strength, with the faith, with the grace of Almighty Allah, and proceed over there. They talk about like foreign exchange reserves. We don't have it, we are going down or something, which is giving us more hard time. I don't think so we should even talk about it. We shouldn't even think about it. I have one solution for that. I have one treatment for that. If you allow me, if you let me to talk about it. It's just like a cancer. We cannot, people talk about it a lot, everyone talk about it like, okay, look, I got cancer, blah, 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 whatever. But the treatment for the cancer is to take the sucker out. That's the only treatment for that. Okay, people ask like how we can treat that. What we should do it to treat that. Treat the negativity, whatever we talk about, all that. I have one suggestion which I believe most of you guys, as like you are very professional and very honorable people who can definitely agree with that, is to bring the foreign investors here, to bring the foreign investment here. Okay, people ask about like how we can bring them. We are down, we are negative, we are not a good country, blah, blah, whatever. The solution for that is to building the trust. We need to build the trust for the foreign investors to come over there, to put their investment here and see like what kind of people we are, what kind of hardworking and genius people we are here. And how can we build the trust for the foreigners, foreign investment is, I believe we can win their heart is giving them the favorable environments. Let them to bring the investment here, give them the favorable environment, and I believe our country, our Pakistan is going to go another level. I have a plan for that. I would love to talk to all my government officials and to give them idea like how can we bring that investment here. I have a whole game plan, and I would love to contribute to sport, giving my ideas for the better Pakistan in future near as well. Well, I have done my job. I have started bringing the investment here. I have opened a store here in the name of a diamonddirect. That's on MM Alam Road, Lahore. And And we will love to. A lot of people, a lot of friends, a lot of family members, and a lot of other investors, they are waiting for me over there to see, like, hey, let's see what's going to happen to Diamond Direct. Hey, let's see what's going to happen to Dr. Imran, how the people of Pakistan is going to treat him, how they are going to give him the good vibes or whatever. Well, I'm happy. I never had any kind of negative vibes here. Even my other, the people, they are all already in the gold and diamond. They welcome me. They welcome me with their arms open, with a beautiful smile on their face. So, Alhamdulillah, I feel proud and I feel honored that we have a great opportunities here in Lahore, in Islamabad, in Pakistan. And I hope, and I will always pray for especially for the people that you are sitting here, all the investors, all the we call it the CEOs, is they're keeping your, basically you people are keeping your chins up in that kind of a shaky time. This is something that I feel proud, I feel honored. And again, the last thing is that without bringing the foreign investment here and giving them the good atmosphere, giving them the good healthy environment here, I don't think so we can do anything. And the last thing is, I appreciate again for bringing me here and to let me to talk a little bit. I have seen a lot of pictures. You guys made me famous already, and I really appreciate it. And thank you, Mr. Ijaz. Thank you, all that honorable guests and everything for that. And again, thank you so much. God bless you all.